Okay, next job on Brutus, adding a cabin filter. In this episode, I'm going to install a cabin filter. The Commodores of this era never had any cabin filters installed, so let's see how we go. This will actually transfer across to my 2004 Monaro as well. I've done a bit of research and there's been a couple of different ways to do it. I've found this FRAM Fresh Breeze. It has carbon and baking soda to remove odors. As you saw from previous videos of Brutus, I'll put a link. The air conditioning, because this was a country car, a farm car, the air conditioning condenser was, evaporator was absolutely clogged to the max and no airflow. So hopefully this will improve the dust, or reduce the dust going into the cabin, and improve the life of that now freshly cleaned evaporator. Okay, this part number, cabin filter, I'll put a link down below. Has to fit in that size there. So the first thing we need to do is to carefully remove the sealing foam. They do have an airflow direction, so this is going to be the top. Okay, using the screen that came out of the car as a template, need a hot glue gun to do this job. So probably get it ready, because once you cut through these you will get carbon falling out of them, so the hot glue gun will help seal that back in place. So I'll just get the hot glue gun on. See the carbon coming out there as I cut through these. Try and be as gentle as you can so you lose as little of that as possible. Plenty in it, so. Okay, so that's what it looks like once you've cut it. We're going to reuse this end piece. First thing we're going to do is go and test fit it. Now, I was going to reuse this fairly hard side, but because it sort of goes in a slightly wedge shape, I'm going to seal up the ends and pull the foam around onto the ends with the hot glue gun. The hot glue also will seal in the carbon. There we go. Right, just let the glue set a little bit. And then we'll install it. Okay, so with the rock catcher on top of it now, I may have to put the filter in first. Bit of a squeeze. place. A bit hard to see with the light coming in from the windscreen there, but it's in place. And then it's just a matter of getting your rock catcher back in on top. And with a screwdriver, done. Okay, and it's just a matter of reassembling. So there you go, that's the FRAM Fresh Breeze. Only a little bit of a modification, that only took me 10 minutes to do that. And fresher air in the car. Alright, that's it. Nice quick one, this one. Another modification to Brutus to make it better. Hope that helps you out with your VT through to VZ Commodore. Adding a cabin filter makes it much nicer inside the car. Clears out a lot of those odours and prevents a lot of that dust coming in and clogging up your heater core and your evaporator. Anyway, hope you got something out of that. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time.